Good morning, respected Dr. Dipali Jat ma'am. This is Shruti Vishwakarma of BSc 5th semester BSZ combination. My presentation topic is adoptive immune response and its four immunologic attributes. Firstly, I tell you about adoptive immunity. Adoptive immunity is an immunity that occurs after exposure to an antigen either from a pathogen or a vaccination. And it is also known as acquired immunity. This part of the immune system is activated when the innate immune response is insufficient to control an infection. The adoptive or acquired immune response takes days or even weeks to become established, much longer than the innate response. However, adoptive immunity is more specific to pathogen and has memory. It is adoptive to recognize, eliminate, remember the foreign antigens. There are two types of adoptive responses: the cell mediated immune response, which is carried out by T cells, and the humoral response, which is controlled by activated B cells and antibodies. Adoptive immunity shows the four characteristic features: antigenic specificity, immunologic memory, self and non self recognition, and diversity. So, antigenic specificity, the property of mature B and T lymphocytes that enables them to respond to specific foreign antigens entering the body. Antigen specificity requires mature B and T cells that have been previously exposed to the antigen and therefore are able to recognize it again and respond by neutralizing it or destroying it. The exact process by which B lymphocytes become capable of recognizing and responding to antigen is unknown yet. Development of antigen specificity by T cells requires macrophage processing of the antigen for recognition. In normal world, it is the ability to discriminate among different antigens. The second one is immunologic memory. Immunological memory is the ability of the immune system to quickly and specifically recognizing an antigen that the body has previously encountered and initiate a corresponding immune response. Generally, these are secondary, tertiary, and other subsequent immune responses to the same antigen. The immunological memory is responsible for the adaptive component of the immune system, especially B and T cells, the so-called memory B and T cells. Immunological memory is the basis of vaccination. The adaptive immune system can learn and remember specific pathogens. It can provide long-lasting defense and protection against recurrent infections. When the adaptive immune system is exposed to a new threat, the specific of the antigens are memorized so we are prevented from getting the disease again. The concept of immune memory is due to the body's ability to make antibodies against different pathogens. The third one is self and non-self recognition. To be able to destroy invaders, the immune system must first recognize them. That is, the immune system must be able to distinguish what is non-self, that means foreign, from what is self. The immune system can make these distinctions because all the cells have identification molecules, antigens, on their surfaces. Microorganisms are recognized because the identification molecules on their surfaces are foreign. In people, the most important self-identification molecules are called human leukocytes antigen (HLA) or the major histocompatibility complex (MHC). Here, self-described agents that are recognized by the immune system of an organism as being part of the organism by the presence of marker molecule known as MHC. Non-self-described agents that are recognized by the immune system as being part of the organism due to the presence of the receptor that identify the agent as non-self. And the last characteristics are diversity. the ability to respond to different antigens, the immune system is capable of generating massive diversity in its recognition molecules,